Even the simplest things like cleaning your carpet can make a big difference in how you age. And of course, you want to stay forever young feeling, right? And that's our purpose at the Forever Young Academy. I'm Tammy Stewart, founder of the Forever Young Academy. So let me tell you what we did about our carpet cleaning. I researched, it takes a little more effort to stay forever young feeling. But in my opinion, it is worth it. So I did some research. I looked for, I made phone calls, calling carpet companies, asking them, what are the ingredients that you use? What are some things that I look for are things like enzymes. And I want to be sure there's no fragrance in it. I want to be sure that there's no chemical in it. Hydrogen peroxide, okay. Vinegar, okay. Other chemicals, no. And you do not want any fragrance. So I found a company that did everything correctly, and they came out and cleaned the carpet, and they did a wonderful, wonderful job. So it's little things like that. When you consider the poison is in the dose, and the chemicals in the carpet would have off-gassed into the house for about 3 years, causing inflammation in my body at the cellular level, which is like rust on a car. And I don't want to look like an old rusty car. I want to stay forever young feeling. So every small little decision that you make, every choice that you make every day that can help you to reduce the toxins in your body, the toxic exposures, can help you to stay forever young feeling.